In this video, I'm going to show you how to access the About menu. Previously, the button was nested inside the main settings page, but it's now been moved to a new location. I'll show you the quickest way to access it and then the manual method. Quickest method. This quick method was added for situations where a customer forgets their passcode and needs to provide the serial number to receive a reset code. For security reasons, customers will also need to provide a proof of purchase. On the main menu, simply long press the settings icon. After holding it for a moment, the About screen will appear immediately. Manual method. To navigate to the About screen manually, first tap Settings, enter your passcode, tap Help, and tap the information icon. This will open the About screen. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you out, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and share it. You'll find links in the description to more videos like this one so you can get the most out of your OSI alarm system. Also, if you want that extra layer of protection and peace of mind, upgrade your OSI Alarm System Gen 2 and switch to 24/7 alarm monitoring anytime. Available in North America. Check the description for links and for more information to view plans and subscribe, or head to osigodirect.com and tap Monitoring in the main menu.